What are you doing?
What do you mean? We're filming, right? MTV Crib style room tour kind of thing?
We're doing a room tour, not MTV.
Yeah.
Get inside. What are you doing?
What's your problem?
What's your problem? Nothing. I've got no problem.
Are we not doing this? Are we not filming? Like
We're
what?
filming? Yeah, for sure.
So what's the issue?
Nothing. I just am wondering why you're at the door.
Well, I mean, you sent me a text like an hour ago saying, come to my house. We're talking 12 p.m. noon. Room tour, quote, MTV Crib style. Bring your entourage. It'll make me look sick.
So hold on a second. Where's your entourage? I see nobody with you.
Well, I couldn't get anyone.
So it's a chain of plans now. Like,
It was so last minute. Who'd you expect me to get?
Quan? Maybe Quan. Quan's...
You know I'm not reaching Quan on a Saturday.
Quan's always really easy to reach, buddy. He just hit me up the other day asking if I could eat a bowl of cereal with him. You have nobody with you.
Maybe that's a problem between me and him then.
Yeah, but the whole video plan was like MTV rooms, tour style, crib, whatever. And you got a bunch of people with you and they're all really stoked to come to my house, da 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 da. So clearly you come alone and I'm not really into that idea anymore. So
Well, you could have told me that.
you could have told me that you didn't get Quan, at least.
Fine. Can we start filming?
We could do that.
Okay.
Back in action. We're back in the action, boys. We got cameraman Adam here, not Ian today. How are you doing, buddy?
Doing alright.
The reason why we got cameraman Adam here is because we're actually doing a room tour video today. I've been asking you guys non-stop if you'd like to see that because you guys know probably by now I have a pretty big Supreme collection that I made into an entire Supreme room. And also every time we do a room tour, I have Adam with me. We brought him back for nostalgic reasons, even though he has a real job now and he shouldn't be apparently on this channel anymore. He'll get fired.
Don't blame me for that.
I don't know. We're doing a room tour today. We're gonna do this like kind of casual. The reason it's casual is because I had one too many beers with Adam's mom last night. You know what I mean? Now, one thing I have to say, this video is actually brought to you by and sponsored by StockX. StockX heard my idea of wanting to do a room tour, and they actually provided me with 2 boxes over here that we're gonna unbox before I show you my room that involves Supreme. Now, if you guys don't know, which you probably know by now if you're new to the channel, I have a Supreme room, which sounds awful.
Super braggy.
It sounds
super braggy.
Braggy? I think it sounds a little sad, actually. Anyway, I've got a Supreme room. They heard I was gonna do this video, so they hooked me up with a few boxes of Supreme to put in my Supreme room, making it complete so I can show you guys a room tour. So StockX, thank you for that. Now, StockX and I, for this video, have a quick giveaway that we're gonna discuss. StockX is giving you guys a super dope pair of sneakers. All you guys need to do to win this giveaway, there's 3 links down below. The first link is subscribe to StockX. The second link is follow StockX on Instagram, and the third is download the StockX app. The last thing you guys need to do is leave a comment down below your shoe size, also leave a thumbs up on this video, and a lucky winner is going to be chosen to win what they win, which is going to be super sick. With that being said, shout out StockX. Let's get into unboxing the pieces that I'm going to put in my room before this room tour.
Dope.
I'm so stoked for this, boys. I'm so into Supreme. It's pretty sad, but let's do it.
And is this fragile?
It might not be, but it might be as well. So this is like Christmas, except Santa's not here. So we have this fat lard instead. Adam. I've been wanting this forever. So this is a Supreme Scarface collab. Once I show you the room, oh my god. So Supreme did a collaboration with Scarface. For the room, I like functional items, things to make a room look sick.
Not true.
What do you
have
mean?
a hatchet in there.
I have a hatchet and that's functional. This is a lamp. This is a Scarface Supreme collaboration. We got Scarface over here and Supreme logo. Next up in this package, this is very sick. How are you doing with yours? Let's show yours real quick.
This one here, it's a deck.
Supreme cabinet hat deck. I think it's dope. Also, with any room, we needed a floor mat, and it's a Supreme room, so I got a Supreme floor mat. This is the coolest thing. There's
nothing here worth dying for.
Oh, that sucks.
Ooh, look at that. Sciencey.
It's a mannequin with a skeleton on it. Next up, boys, I've been wanting this for ages and ages and ages. This goes for a lot of money. I never really wanted to spend my own money on it, which is why I wanted StockX to spend their money on it, which is why I did this video. We got the Supreme Fox racing helmet.
That is
says
nice.
Supreme right there. That's very, very dope. That's it for my box, bro. You got one more thing to open right here.
Ooh, it's a mug.
It's a Supreme mug.
A little mug ski.
Supreme though. We're gonna set these up in the room, then come back to you guys with the ultimate room tour. Thumbs up this video and tell NameBran he's so sick.
Same with me. Cameraman Adam over here.
Don't do that.
Okay.
Again, we're not doing it that way.
I thought it'd be cool.
Just not gonna happen.
Okay. All right.
Let's start here with the room tour though, boys. Boom. We got the mat we just got from StockX. Shout out to them.
Cool. Are you gonna say how much like this stuff costs?
I could. I don't know. That
How much
costs
is that?
probably Canadian. I'm gonna give you Canadian prices mostly. That's like 120 Canadian.
Okay.
Fair. First off, when you come in the room, we'll show you a whole room tour after, a whole layout thing. I'm proud of this, by the way. And this is a Supreme room once again, so if you guys aren't into Supreme, I don't know, it'll make you into it or you're gonna think I'm a nerd, whatever. First off, prized possession, better than anything in here. The NameBran, actually, now that I do that, I don't think that's class. Okay, so not my prized possession, but we got the NameBran 100K. We're going for a milli, baby. Once again, StockX, love this right here. Supreme Cat in the Hat collaboration. Now coming over here, I got a closet, you know what I mean? So we have the Supreme curtain. This was like $700 or $800. This is just where I store my shoes, stuff like that. I've got a pretty crazy deck collection, actually. Going over here, boys. Got the Supreme life jacket. I usually wear that to football games because I'm not trying to drown in the poon.
He has actually done that.
Got Supreme shovels right here. I don't know why I have two. Honestly, I'm kind of down to give one away. So if we get maybe 2,000 likes within the day, I'll give one of you guys a shovel.
So how much did like this stuff cost?
These are like 120 bucks Canadian maybe. This part's really cool though, boys. This is like a whole cabinet area, kind of the things that I really dig. My items that I dig of Supreme. So over here we got the air horn that doesn't work anymore. We did an air horn golf prank video. We took it to a golf course and we just started blowing her off when people are golfing, so that was kind of fun. Water bottle, we got a toothbrush, keychain. We got the light right here, boys. Check this out. If you're looking for a seizure, pretty much. Check that out.
Oh, that's scary.
Yeah, that thing's like $250, $300. These are pretty cheap if you guys are looking for cheap Supreme. They're like 100 bucks each Canadian. You can do the math. This right here, we got the box with, oh, you didn't get that on camera, did you? Next up, and honestly, I'm shouting out StockX for what they gave me this video, like this and stuff like that, but I've literally, I'd say 95% of these things gotten on StockX. Going over here, we got the helmet, really dope. We've been looking for that for a long time. That thing goes for about Canadian, it's almost $1,000 if you're shopping eBay. If you're shopping StockX, it's quite a bit cheaper. Just StockX every day, all day. Got these from IKEA. This right here is honestly, I feel like one of the coolest Supreme pieces they've put out in a long time. And this, if you're just looking for something dope to go play ball with the boys with, I mean, this is like 130 Canadian or something. It's not that bad. We got the vase right here. Very, very dope. I think I got that for 80 on drop day. It's going for a little bit more now. We got all of my Supreme, like from box logos to, you know, Supreme North Face, got my Supreme hats, everything under all of this. Like all the clothing here is all Supreme. Looks cool on display, what can I say? Bars. Over here, we got the basketball. I love this thing. It's got clown butterflies on it, so if you're tripping out, it's not good to look at for sure. Got the mannequin right here. I think that one's pretty sick. Got a Supreme brick. It's not supposed to be colored red, but I tried to color it red. And then I got mad because it didn't look good, so I smashed it. This is really dope. So these aren't Supreme. These are the only things in the room that aren't Supreme. I used to collect these things called bear bricks. I don't know if you guys really know about these. Like this one right here is $700. That one right there.
That's a lot.
It's ridiculous. I mean, I like Venom. I think it's dope, but I haven't even seen the new movie. So I kind of hopped on the bandwagon of like, this is some like supervillain that looks sick. So I bought it. Got the autographed Raekwon / Supreme / Ghostface Killer. This I'm actually gonna do a giveaway for. You know what? Because I'm trying to once again have all Supreme in here. I really don't want any more custom filler pieces. Like this was, I got this custom made red from somebody for like 500 bucks. It was white before. So I'm trying to get rid of that too. If this gets 5,000 thumbs up, I'll say in 48 hours, we'll pick a winner for this video today because I'm trying to get rid of that. Next up, we got the Jumping Rope Supreme. I think it's dope. We got a flask. It's supposed to be 6 ounces, but I doubt it. And then that thing back there is a puzzle that I tried to do it and then I smashed it and threw out a bunch of pieces in the garbage. It just didn't work out. Box logos, bunch of clothing down here. Forgot the prices. Do they care about prices?
I don't know. They're all ridiculously expensive.
Yeah.
Like how much? Actually, this one. Yeah. How much was the ball?
Canadian, about 300. A little bit over 300.
Okay, like a normal good basketball would be like
20 bucks.
Oh, is it? I thought they were like more expensive. I don't know.
Oh, this right here, I think this is really, really dope. It just kind of adds that whole like Supreme aspect to the wall. You know what I'm saying? Like I think that could be blank, or you could have a Supreme Everlast Met on it.
It's the banner pretty much, right?
Exactly,
yeah, it's cool.
Exactly. Over here, we got a Supreme sled. It's a given. I'm clearly gonna get that. Held by a Supreme lanyard. So I thought that was a cool touch. Now, another one of the custom pieces. Yeah, I made this desk here. I used to work at a car decal shop where I used to wrap cars with cool pictures and stuff like that. So I kind of learned how to do stuff like that. Actually, along with this table, I made the table. This was black before. You know, this was just a glass before I put Supreme on it. Thought it was cool for the middle of the room. We got the lamp brought to you by StockX. Very, very sick. We got the Supreme New Testament Bible. I don't do Bibles really. I'm not really one to preach.
Sure.
Is that a nice way to put that?
Yeah.
I really,
you sin.
I sin sometimes. Anyway, the funny thing about this, I had to get this piece. It's actually a stash box. So if you guys see like in movies and stuff like that or whatever, where people have like big bookshelves, you got this in there. You got your stash of whatever you want to put in there. I thought it was, oh shoot! I thought it was funny. You got the mug right here, just going with the table. You got your lamp, Scarface mug. Going over, of course.
Another one.
Have another one of these. Now going down here, take a step back for a sec, buddy. This actually was part of the StockX haul that I just showed you guys, but I wanted to blow it up so it was ready for the room tour right away. Took a long time to blow up, it sucked. Supreme blow up chair right here. This is from this season, and honestly, if you want a good piece, like I think that was like 300 bucks Canadian, maybe. So American, it's not that bad. That's pretty much the coolest stuff. We're moving real fast. Give them a little layout here of so far. That's that part of the room, boys. It's the collection. You know, I collect Supreme. I've always collected everything. Rocks, coins, girls, you know. Next up, Mobb Deep. Gotta love them, bro. So Supreme usually takes, you know, some people that are dope and then they put them in the Supreme case and then they take a picture with them. So Mobb Deep right there. I thought it was dope. Right here, my mom's an artist, her boyfriend's an artist. At one point in time, I was selling merch when I was really into Supreme. I made like a Supreme style merch tee that had this graphic on it. He painted it and then ran it over with a flipping truck apparently because it's all scratched up. So NameBran right here, that's my signature. Supreme, you gotta have the wall decal. I kind of wish I didn't do this, bro.
Why?
Because it's not real Supreme. Like I'm like really OCD about everything being real Supreme. So this just looks kind of cheesy, but it's there. I did it a little while ago. Next up, let me pull up the gap for a second. It's an airsoft gun. Yeah, the Supreme Louis Vuitton cover over that. I just thought it was dope. Once again, trying to get rid of all the custom pieces in here just so everything's Supreme. So once something like fill up this space or as I change my room, put something else there. I feel like I can't give that away because that's like giving a weapon away.
Yeah, it's illegal, I think.
Which is pretty sick. Last up, I used to have a Kate Moss. If you guys don't know, she's a really sexy model. She used to be, now she's old. I mean, if you're into the MILFs, I guess that's pretty dope. Yeah. But I used to have her picture here and then I smashed it. As you guys can see, I got mad and I took a skateboard to it in a video, which I thought was fun. So we got another Mobb Deep. I had two of them, put it up. I feel like that's a room tour, buddy.
It's been 11 and a half minutes.
That's a long time for a room tour. Anyway, let's just give a little pan around right here. Honestly, boys, this is like a huge waste of money. At the same time, I dig it. I dig it. Supreme has like pretty good resale value. The whole thing with this is you never know when Supreme's gonna necessarily like plummet. You know what I'm saying? Like some of this stuff for sure, like this right here, is worth a lot of money. But you never know, 5 years from now, that could be a hugely horrible investment.
Probably.
So I wouldn't say do this, per se, if you're trying to get your money back, but this has just been like a thing that I've liked.
Well, of all these things, I would say that is probably like the best quality item. Like it's very it's an Everlast mat, right? So like, it's really high quality.
I'm just thinking right now, what's the most expensive item in this room? Honestly, ooh, this is hard. This right here is like Canadian about $650, $700. Okay. Right there. So that's 700 right there though. I don't even know if people care, but I feel like that's just something I'm curious about. Anyway, boys, that's a room tour. This is what's behind the scenes of what I'd spend my money on and then get companies to spend their money on.
What would you say is the total value of this room?
I don't know, like, ooh, that's hard. Like 10, 11, 12 grand?
Yeah.
Maybe? Hold on, actually.
What are you doing?
We'll call it 100 grand. There we go.
Oh, that's God.
Clickable title. Anyway, boys, that's the room right there. Did I just drop that?
I don't know where it went. I think you picked it back up.
You sure?
Yeah. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, I'll find it later. Anyway, boys, that's the room. Appreciate you guys for watching. I know not everyone's into Supreme, but this is what I'm into and I feel like sick. Shout out StockX once again. If you guys want to follow the giveaway, there's 3 links down below. Download the app, subscribe to them, and follow them on Instagram. That's what you gotta do. Also, leave a comment your shoe size and thumbs up this video. That's all I ask. If you guys hit the notification bell, it's a big bonus. especially if you can prove that on my Instagram by sending me a message. So, and only you guys know that if you watch the end of the video. Anyway, Adam, appreciate it for being here.
Thanks, boys, for having me.
Usually, YouTubers think they're cool being like, now get out. So I'm not going to do that. You know what I'm going to do?
Right.
Give it a swift kick in the balls, and now I'm going to leave. Appreciate y'all.
God. Oh, my nuts.